Hi friends. Welcome to my new video about how to download Windows 10 ISO file with simple steps. Let's start the video. First open your web browser and type Windows 10 ISO download and go to Microsoft official website. Next, download the Media Creator tool and install this in your computer. Open this tool. It will take few minutes for processing its terms and conditions. Just accept that and go ahead. Next you will get two options. First, upgrade this PC, and second is create installation media for another PC via USB and ISO file. Select second option and click on Next. Again Next and choose ISO file option for downloading the ISO file of the Windows 10 and hit Next. Here you can see your downloading process is start. After finish this process, it will start new process for creating Windows Media, which will not take much time. At last you can see the path where your ISO file stored. Go to File Explorer and check that file. Here you can see my downloaded ISO file. Thanks for watching friends.